Are you a citrus lover looking for the best zesting and juicing techniques? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be delving into the art of extracting the utmost flavor and nutritional benefits from your favorite citrus fruits. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 5 zesting and juicing techniques that every citrus lover should know. First, we introduce the microplane, a must-have tool in the kitchen for zesting citrus. To zest, glide the citrus across the tool's surface, capturing only the vibrant colored skin and leaving the bitter white pith behind. With the microplane, zesting becomes a breeze, and your dishes gain an incredible burst of citrus flavor. Next up, the peeler technique, perfect for when you want larger zest pieces. Gently glide the peeler over the citrus surface, taking care to avoid the bitter pith. This method provides you with substantial zest strips, ideal for many recipes. The peeler technique offers you a quick and efficient way to get larger pieces of zest for your culinary creations. Moving on to juicing, hand squeezing and using a juicer are two common methods. To hand squeeze, cut your citrus in half and press firmly, turning the fruit as you do. This method is simple and requires no special equipment. However, it can be a bit messy and you may not extract all the juice. Using a juicer, on the other hand, allows for more efficient extraction and less mess, but requires an additional appliance. Whether you're hand squeezing or using a juicer, these methods ensure you get every drop of citrus goodness. Lastly, we have the citrus press, a handy tool that every citrus lover should consider. This device works by applying pressure to halved citrus fruits, enabling you to squeeze out every last drop of juice. It's incredibly efficient, far surpassing the amount of juice you'd get from hand squeezing alone. Simply cut your fruit in half, place it cut side down in the press, and apply pressure on the handle. Voila! Fresh, delicious citrus juice. With a citrus press, you can extract more juice, making it a worthy addition to your kitchen. There you have it, the top 5 zesting and juicing techniques for all you citrus lovers out there. Let's recap: microplane, peeler, hand squeezing, juicer, and citrus press. Give them a whirl. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful cooking tips. Happy cooking, citrus lovers!